Installing the IMVU Toolkit to Blender 5.0. So first we need to go and download it. So that will be from create.imvu.com, imvu.com. This will open up the Creator Education Center. We just need to scroll down and we want the IMVU Studio Toolkit. Click on the button. That gives us the download page. We want to scroll down to the Blender section and just click on the link. Click, download. So we've got our zip file. Let's make a note of where that is. It is in the downloads folder. So in Blender, we want Edit, Preferences. We want add-ons, and here we want the more options down arrow. Click on that, install from disk, browse to the location of the zip file we just downloaded. So that's in downloads, there it is. We need to install this intact. Do not extract this. It needs to be installed as a .zip file. So select. Everything else is okay. Install from disk. That will install. Let's just double check. So that's the file path. It's active by default, so that's okay. So we can now close this, close, and we should have View Sidebar, the toolkit active as a tab. So there it is. Let's just click on one of the options and load in the toolkit. That's the clothing file. That works okay. So we can now create content for IMVU in Blender 5.0.